Hi guys, today our idea is the umbrella holder. You are watching different types of umbrella holder ideas. You are watching the beautiful white and golden color umbrella holder. You can watch another umbrella stand. Uh, manage you can many umbrellas. You are watching the crystal umbrella stand, transparent acrylic sheet. You are watching the wood based umbrella stand. You are watching another umbrella stand, beautiful and unique design. You can organize your wet umbrellas. You are watching another stand for umbrellas. You can organize your umbrellas. You are watching another basket shaped umbrella stand, umbrella holder. You are watching another wood based umbrella holder, beautiful, unique. You are watching another umbrella holder, beautiful and organized umbrellas. You are watching another idea for umbrella holder in the long shoes. You are watching another idea for umbrella stand holder. You are watching the new stand, beautiful design for umbrella. You are watching another stand for umbrellas, beautiful idea. You are watching another stand for wet umbrellas, with the tray for water. You are watching another stand for umbrella, simple and easy idea. You are watching another basket shaped umbrella stand. You can save your wet umbrellas. You are watching a wood based umbrella stand, simple and easy idea. You are watching another umbrella stand made with the PVC pipes, beautiful idea. You are watching another umbrella holder stand. You can stand for. You are watching another stand, umbrella stand. You can hold umbrellas. You are watching another easy and simple idea with the plastic bottles. You can umbrella hold it. You are watching another baskets based umbrella holder. You are watching another umbrella and stick holder, walking stick holder. You are watching another stand, metal stand for umbrellas. You are watching a wooden based umbrella holder fixed with the wall. You are watching another net based umbrella holder, beautiful idea. You are watching another jute rope made umbrella holder. You are watching another wooden stand for umbrellas, beautiful idea for umbrella organizing. You are watching another uh, metal pipe stand. You are watching another stand for umbrellas, beautiful.